We have an update on a First Coast News investigation. Today, the family of a Bradford County woman killed in a murder-suicide was in Tallahassee at the state capitol as a comprehensive domestic violence reform bill was signed into law. Rachael Kerr was killed by her estranged husband in front of their children in January, just days after a judge granted him bond. He had a history of violating protection orders. State Representative Deborah Tindrich shared Kerr's story with lawmakers as she pushed for a stronger law to protect those experiencing domestic violence. Her bill passed both the House and the Senate unanimously, and this afternoon, Rachael's family was there as Governor DeSantis signed it into law.
Rachael's name is now going to be legacy as to how this bill crossed the finish line, being a part of this bill actually passing into law to protect other women and families from going through what they endured. And it's really important for her kids to have been able to be there. It meant so much to know that they were able to share that moment with me because, their mom was able to help people even after she was no longer with us here on earth.
Now, the new law increases penalties for repeat domestic violence offenders. It creates electronic monitoring pilot programs for some offenders. And it also expands factors that judges can consider when issuing protective injunctions. That includes threats to kill or harm a family pet and the existence of a military protective order. This new law also increases relocation assistance for domestic violence survivors. And State Representative Tindrich, who is a domestic violence survivor, says she'll spend the summer on a statewide listening tour to hear from survivors and advocates before she proposes more domestic violence legislation next session.
I've been able to go from a suitcase to a state representative. It allows people to know that there is somewhere to go after here. Like tomorrow is coming and your new beginning is coming. Like you can do it.
And this new law takes effect in Florida July 1st.